Go crypto investing, and you can see the Super Bowl pump never really materialized yesterday for all the fleece heisters and shysters on YouTube and charlatans that were trying to get you all wound up for a big pump that never took place yesterday, right? And that's why you all need to become members of Jabroni Killers to help you sidestep an audible and stay 69.69 steps ahead of that nonsense. And you would have understood that the stock market is having a huge problem right now with the Fed about to raise interest rates. The St. Louis Fed guy said he wants to have a 100 basis point hike by March. And you can see the Dow Jones is down again today. And the tech sector, Neo, Rivian, Lucid, Tesla, hammered recently, right? Let's look at all these stocks recently. And you're wondering why your crypto's going down. This all correlates together, and that's why you need to become members of Jabroni Killers, right? So you understand what's going on. Because right now you guys are getting fleece heisted and shysted to an extreme degree because you don't understand what the fuck's going on. Now let's take some measurements here. Neo is down from the top at current price. Current price is somewhere down here, 55%, right? Rivian. Look at all these people get fleece heisted and shysted. And we told you we emergency buy alert when this came out, and then we quickly gave it a sell alert because we seen what was going on and knew it was going to tank, and Vincenzo has not bought yet. And this at current price is down 66.69%. Let's look at Lucid. Another one getting hammered recently. It pumped up all the way up there, down 54%. And finally, the darling, just like Bitcoin, Tesla, has been getting hammered too from its recent top. It is down at current price, 29%, right? So they're all getting hammered, and there's a reason for that because the risk assets are being sold off because the Fed's about to raise interest rates and they're doing quantitative tightening. And if you take a look real quick here, right, look at right here, hit that to the gold, you can see interest rates broke 2% yesterday in the 10-year bonds. That's critical. That puts pressure on risk assets and stocks and cryptos, especially the tech sector and the cryptos. And you can see, we'll start with the Bitcoin, or not the Bitcoin, with the XRP real quick. You can see we broke back into here, and then for this Super Bowl, Dan, the big hype train going on, we told you we would get topped out in the daily time frame at the 200-day when the price was here. If it broke up, we said this is where you get rejected, and then we drew this out yesterday morning when the price was over here, when we see we were in a 4-hour time frame symmetrical triangle, and the break up target is this 98 cents at the green arrow. And if you break down, your first support is 72 cents, and then your target is down here at the green arrow of 47 cents, and that's where I think you're going down to 47 cents. And then a much larger targeted move that we started here is down here by midsummer at 23 cents, because that's the targeted move out of this symmetrical triangle right here. Resistance, 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 support, 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 flush, trying to support again, uptrending support, descending resistance, neutral continuation pattern in a symmetrical triangle, and the targeted move on a breakdown is down here. Targeted move on the break up is up there, but you're not coming up there. You could get there, but that's a very slight chance. More than likely and more plausible and probable, you have a step down, 72 cents to 47 cents to 23 cents with big up and down swings. And then if we look at the old XLM, another phenomenal call here. People were getting a hype train building, and you can see this one did it more classic. It came up to your upper resistance up here, right? See that? And got rejected. Because this is the same symmetrical triangle as XRP is in. If we zoom out, you can see that. But this one was in more of a falling pattern or a bearish pattern. You pump back up off the 19-cent blue ring like we told you about. Came up to this 25 cents and back tested this. Now it used to be support, 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 support. Flush, comes back up as upper resistance. And this is a classic case where they come up, back test, get rejected, confirm the breakdown. And now if you can't hold this, as you can see in the new candle, it just dipped down below this blue ring in the daily time frame. And if we zoom in to the 3-hour time frame now, right, if you continue to break down from here, you can see we're below it now, and you're going to back test this. If you get rejected, unfortunately, your next major move down is all the way down there. We'll keep that pointed over there. It's all the way over there. down at 10 cents along the blue ring down here, right? So that would be your next underneath target. We'll put a nice little blue arrow here, and then I'm gonna let you go because I gotta get to work. Nice little green arrow. There's your next underneath target. You fail to hold this major area up here in the old XRP. We'll put another green arrow as it's very important where you're at now. That's currently a critical area, so that's what's going on there. And then we'll end out with a little Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin coming back down to your underneath support on the orange ring, and eventually 39,000 you're coming to, and then 32,000 you're going to be coming to very quickly here. I think by early spring, this target right there is met. By early spring, I don't see any reason why you don't get there. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.